guys, and welcome back to your good girls channel. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I know it's been quite a while since I've uploaded. I know I say this like the last video I uploaded, I know I said it's been quite a while. I know, but today, as you guys could tell from the title of the story, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Just not any unboxing, we're gonna be doing the first unboxing of BoxyCharm's BoxyLuxe. Yes guys, this big box, the famous BoxyLuxe, and I got it. And of course I was on the waiting list. It was pretty quick. I was a subscriber back in like 2 years ago, but I unsubscribed because I just didn't feel the products useful for me, since there were more makeup, and me, I still am not a makeup person. All I really wear is just lipstick, lip gloss, and eyeliner. That's about it. But I am working slowly onto what it is, eyeshadow, foundation. Still not there yet, but slowly but surely. So since they've put in more skincare products, which for me is a win because I like skincare products more than makeup, but a little bit of both, but mostly skincare products. So I'm like, why not resubscribe? So I resubscribed in May last month, and I did get to receive a May box, but the products of that May box weren't of May. There were bits and no bits of past boxes, so I didn't do an unboxing for that one, and because it came out like in the end of May also, so I didn't do an unboxing for May BoxyCharm. But I got off the waiting list for the BoxyLuxe so quick, so that was a surprise, guys, and I'm super excited to see what this has inside. So let's chit chat and more get to unboxings. All right, I did open it, but it just hit my chin when I pulled it back. I did open it. I haven't seen what it has inside, so not yet, but I did open it to get started. And as you can tell, it says hello Charmer. Like I said, it's the first time of this BoxyLuxe, so let's see. Once you open it, oops, it has this safety cardboard paper, the little card that has all of the information in the back of the products that we have and their prices. Another little safety in here. Voila guys, let me see. There you go, you can see them there. So let's get started for these goodies. So right off the bat, let's just go in order from, I'll be reading off this and going through that. So first is Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. So it's this right here. I'll be putting the prices around here. So this is priced at $24. Foaming face wash, the famous face wash of Kylie Jenner. I've heard reviews or videos of people that actually try this and they say it's good. Some others say it's and I'll finally be the judge of that myself. So I'm definitely gonna be giving this a try to see how it goes. Maybe I'll do a video of trying Kylie Jenner's foaming face wash to see on real time how it works, how my face looks before and after the face wash. So this is pretty cool. $24, and it's pretty big. So that's first. Our second is the Pearlie's Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. So that here is this, and honestly I don't know what's this used for exactly. BB cream, like I said, I am not that into, you know, makeup, or mostly foundation, CC cream, BB cream, all of that. So this is valued at $35, and it comes with its little. Now next is Lily Lashes Triple X mascara. So where is it? Oh, here it is. So as you can see, here it is, the color black. Let's open it. And this is just, you know, an extra lengthening, volumizing, and bold mascara. So, you know, pretty simple packaging. And I really needed mascara, so this is good. Mascara is mascara, and I need it so. This mascara is valued at $24, guys. $24. So I hope it does its stuff. So yeah. All right. Next is the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. And I keep forgetting that the lens is here and not over there. I don't know why I look over there, but yes, here it is. This Tarte palette, this is valued at $49. $49, guys, from Tarte. This is Tarteist Pro. So let's open it.
Valued at $49. So it comes with this little paper where you could play around with its eyeshadows. You know, you could pick one, so you could play around with this palette.
Looks like this. It's nice. And once you open it, it smells like chocolate. It smells good. But ta-da! You could see its colors. So cute. And I really needed an eyeshadow palette too, so this is a great thing. So super excited about this one because I like the colors. You can play around with the colors. Like I said, I'm not a really expert, or you know, I'm a beginner at what it is of eyeshadow. But yes, let's try out real quick, swatch it for you guys.
That one, let's get this right here. I'll show you guys. This blue one. And this one. It's like a light brown. So here it is.
So they're cute, and the smell is good. It's like chocolate. The Tarte palette, Amazonian Clay Palette, valued at $49. So pretty expensive, but I think it's worth it because from what I just did with the swatches, it looks like it's really pigmented. So yes, so that's that. Our next one is the Oshi or Osea, I don't know how you pronounce it exactly. I'm gonna say Osi Sculptor. So this one I actually got from, I think, the add-ons, or the you choose which ones you want, and I chose this one because I came late or really didn't have anything left except this, so I chose this. And it comes with its little booklet. It gives you, you know, instructions on how to use it on your face and its benefits. So that I'm gonna give it a try out, and it's pretty heavy, so let's see what this does. This is valued at $32. $32, guys. This sculptor, $32. Pretty expensive. Next is $1 Billion Brows. is the charcoal 5-piece brush set, which is this one right here, guys. And what I like about this, that I'm telling off the bat, and the cart, the box tells you what each brush is for, which I love. Like, for me, being an amateur on this makeup stuff, this is a great thing to have. And let's open it. Some brushes, you know, they don't come with what it has, like labeled what it's for, what it's used. So this, I appreciate that it does have. So these are the 5 brushes. This, and they feel soft. Yeah, really soft. They're vegan charcoal infused bristles for antimicrobial effect. So that's good. See, this one says highlighter brush. Let's see, can you guys tell? Highlighter brush. This is a powder brush, the big one. The other big one is a contour brush, and this is an eyebrow brush. Oh no, this is a eyeshadow brush. Wait, right here. And this one is a concealer brush. And they're super soft, So this brush set is valued at $55, guys. $55. That's pretty expensive, but you know, these seem like they're durable. The brush doesn't feel like it would fall apart. Like some brushes, you'll start, you know, using them, and like 2 weeks later or a week later, they'll start losing the little bristles. So $55, 5-piece set. Now, Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask is this right here. I've never used a sleeping mask. This is a sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. This is valued at $55. $55, guys. It better work. $55. I mean, it's pretty big, and it comes with its little spoon, I guess, to put in your face, your hands. Let's open it. It smells pretty good, like lemon and honey. And this is from Pure Heads by Nature Village. So I would definitely try this out too. Alright, last thing is the Bodygraphy Lip Pencil Set from colors Pouty and Rosewood, which is this right here. Now let's see. I've never owned color lip pencils. I was gonna say color pencils. So let's check this out. And I hope this video isn't that long. I'm trying to make this video quick, you know, not too long. This, I believe this is the color Rosewood. And I'll be putting it right here real quick. Ooh, I like this color. Rosewood. And this one is Pony. Let's put it under. Ooh, they run so smooth. So the top one is Pony, and the the other one is Rosewood. These are cute colors. So this is valued at $28. So this is also pretty expensive, but maybe it's because of the brand. That's it, guys. That's it in the box. So I have this little paper, but yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. There were actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products for this June's BoxyLuxe, and honestly I liked the products. The least one would have to be this BB cream, just because I don't really know what's it used for exactly. I know it's for your face, but I really don't use this, so this probably has to be the least. My favorite has to be the palette. Yeah, it has to be the palette. It's just so pretty. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it isn't too long and boring. But yeah, the first time I received this, you know, BoxyLuxe, and yeah, that's it, guys. Super excited. I'll make sure to leave the link down below if you want to subscribe. Hope you guys like this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and comment down below which one was your favorite, which one was your least favorite. That's it. So see you next time. Peace. Stay safe.